Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Top 5 common causes for a Ninja blender not to be working. Blender components are not placed in the proper order after assembly. The pitcher was not locked into the correct position. The lid of the pitcher was not locked tightly in place. The blades are not turning properly. The power light on the blender is not lit.
Take our lead.
If your blender won't turn on at all, the issue could be a completely burned out motor. Replacing the motor is an advanced repair. Make sure to unplug the blender before starting. To access the motor, flip over the base and unscrew the bottom cover. Unplug your blender before beginning this repair.
Take our lead.
Ninja blender won't turn on. Improper assembly. The second most common reason that a Ninja blender will turn off and not turn back on is that something is wrong with the general assembly. As silly as it may sound, sometimes you might have an improper assembly.
Make your mark, take our lead.
First, try unplugging the blender and trying another appliance on the outlet to see if there is power to the outlet. If not, try resetting the outlet by using a reset button, if there is one, or by resetting the breaker in your circuit breaker box.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.